Hello, Darren here. In today's video, I'm going to share advice on how to find remote jobs on LinkedIn. Did you know that LinkedIn is a huge professional network with over 50 million companies registered and over 300 million users? It is massive if you are looking for remote jobs. My first strategy for finding remote jobs on LinkedIn is to actually get involved in the community. Create content which is going to showcase your skills and knowledge. Let me give you a quick example. Let's pretend that you are looking for a job, remote job in customer support. You could write about best practices of customer support, mistakes that businesses make and the solutions for those mistakes. Really be the expert on customer service in the niche and industry that you want to work in. Use the right hashtags that people are using to find the content that you are creating. It's not just about people finding your content, but also when you are applying for remote jobs, those companies are going to check out your LinkedIn profile. They're going to search for you on LinkedIn. And if you have lots of rich content on there, which is showcasing your skills and experience, you are going to stand out amongst from anybody else that has applied for that job. Let me give you some really quick tips about the content on LinkedIn. Keep it short, keep it bullet pointed, small paragraphs, hashtags, an image, a real image, not a stock image, a real image on that post. And it will get found. Believe me, I've had posts on remote working that have literally had thousands, hundreds of views. So it is a network where people are searching for content. Strategy number 2 on how to find remote jobs on LinkedIn is the networking aspect of it. I would say that over the last 6 years, 90% of the remote jobs that I've been hired into have been through recommendations from people within my network. It is so important is networking, and people neglect it all the time. What I would do if I was you is identify 10 or 12 companies that you would love to work for. Look for companies that are already hiring remote workers and really focus down on them. Find their company page, find their CEO and founder, and read all about that company and really start to build relationships. Ask questions in their comments on posts. Answer questions in their posts. Showcase your skills and build the relationships. That is going to increase your chances of getting a remote job. Once you've started to build those relationships and people are starting to recognize your name, it's at that point that you can start to reach out to them. Don't do it in a spammy way. Just send them a very brief message on LinkedIn and say, look, I've got this experience. I feel that I can add this value to your business. And I'm just wondering if you have any available opportunities at the moment. And let's be honest, you do not know what the result of that message could be. It could be a job. It could be a short-term contract. It could open a door to another business that person knows is looking for somebody with your skills. If you don't put yourself out there and open doors, you will struggle to find a remote job if all you are doing is just applying on remote job boards. My third strategy on how to find remote jobs on LinkedIn is using the power of hashtags. Being able to find opportunities and content and people and companies are all around the hashtag. So what I'm going to do down in the description is I'm going to leave a list of popular hashtags that I recommend that you search on LinkedIn. I'll actually leave the link so you go straight to the LinkedIn results. Yes, go and check them out down in the description. I feel they will help you find the opportunities that are out there on LinkedIn, and also finding those people and companies that you need to start networking and building relationships with. I hope my advice on how to find remote jobs on LinkedIn has helped you today. If you have any questions on this topic, please do leave them down in the comment section. And also on this screen here, I will also leave a link to another video that I feel will help you land a remote job. Until next time, please take care out there and keep being an action taker. That's important.